In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Chrome OS Flex, and I am also going to install it in a laptop. So these are some of the sites where you can read more about the Chrome OS Flex. This is the Chrome OS Flex installation guide, and this tells you how you can prepare for installation, how you can create a USB installer. This is the certified models list. There's a whole list here of different models. And this is the Chromebook recovery utility. This is where you can add the extension and create that USB drive for the Chrome OS Flex. I would leave a link to all these sites under the video. So this says create a recovery media for your Chromebook. And this is the Chromebook recovery utility. And I'm going to add this extension to Google Chrome. I'll click add to Chrome. It gives you a prompt, and I'm going to say add extension. I'll close this, and this is the extension icon here. And if you don't see this here, click on the three dots, and it's right on more tools. Here it is. So I'm going to click on the extension icon here, and this is it, Chromebook recovery utility. I'll click on that, and it says create a recovery media for your Chromebook. You will need an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive or SD card that you don't mind erasing. So I'm using a 14 gig USB drive. I recommend using a USB flash drive. So I'm going to click get started. So this says identify your Chromebook. Enter the model number of the Chromebook to recover. It can be found on the recovery screen. Now you want to click on select a model from a list. So there are two boxes here. The first one, it says identify your Chromebook. Select a manufacturer. Click on that and scroll down and select Google Chrome OS Flex. On the second box, it says select a product. Click on that, and there's only one option, Chrome OS Flex, and this is developer/unstable. Click continue. Now it says insert your USB flash drive or SD card. Click on the drop down here. I only have one USB drive here. Select that. Click continue. So it says create a recovery image, and important, all data and partitions on your recovery media will be deleted. Click create now. And you can't remove the USB drive from the computer. You have to wait until it is completed. So it's completed. The USB has been created. So it took about 15 minutes to create this USB drive. So this depends on the USB drive speed. It also depends on the speed of your computer and your internet speed. So I'm going to click on done. And now I'm going to install the Chrome operating system in the computer using the USB drive. So I'm going to be installing the Chrome OS Flex in this laptop. I'm going to power it on. I'm going to be hitting F12 on the keyboard to get to the BIOS. So I'm entering the BIOS. I want to get to the boot menu. So this is my boot menu for the Lenovo. I'm going to select the USB drive. I'm going to be booting from the USB drive. I'll hit enter, and it's now booting from the USB drive, and it's going to install the Chrome OS Flex. I'm going to click get started. Now I have two options here. It also says start using Cloud Ready 2.0. So by default, option 1 is checked, install Cloud Ready 2.0 on this device, I have another option where I can try it first from the USB drive. It says keep your operating system and run Cloud Ready from the USB. I'm going to install Chrome OS in this computer. I'm going to select next. I'm going to click install Cloud Ready, and it gives you a warning. Installation will erase your entire hard drive, so if you need to back up any data, you can back it up before installing. I'll click install and it's installing. So you also want to make sure that your laptop is plugged into the power. So it says that it may take about 20 minutes for installation, and it says your device will automatically shut down when installation is complete. So it says installation is complete and your device will shut down, and it gives a countdown. It says remove the USB before turning your device back on. Then you can start using Cloud Ready. I'm going to click on get started. Now I have to choose a Wi-Fi. I'm going to click accept. It's checking for updates. So I'm going to select you, set up this device for work or personal use. I'll click next. I'm going to enter my email address. So there's also more options, and here's where you can create an account, or you can click on enterprise enrollment. I'm going to click next. I'll type in my password, click next. Now you can read this and you can select this if you want. It says sync your Chrome device apps, settings and more, or sync your Chrome browser, bookmarks, password history and more. You can check this if you want that. I'll click accept and continue. I'll click accept and continue again. It says help your assistant customize your experience by turning on this setting for, and it has my Gmail account. I'll click agree. I'll click skip, get started, and this is how it looks. So under here on the taskbar, there's the Google Chrome browser, the one for Gmail, the icon for calendar, files, Google Meet, and YouTube. I'll click on Google Chrome. So I'm going to open YouTube. So I'm going to click on the icon that's on the taskbar. And this is YouTube. And I can go to my YouTube channel here.
Email feature in Gmail.
So the audio works in the computer.
I'm going to be sending this email to another Gmail account.
So that's the installation of Chrome OS Flex. So it took about 7 to 8 minutes to install. So I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.